Hello guys, it's good to be back after a few days of pause, and we are just in time to jump back into the EV sector that is heating up once again. The Biden administration last week announced new infrastructure bill that will allocate trillions of dollars to spending and renovating infrastructure all across the United States. Now, a big winner of this infrastructure bill is clean energy. In particular, Biden administration wants to build a lot of charging stations all around the US, and they want to improve the grid so that it will be able to support all these new charging stations and push clean energy back into the focus. Now, just a few years ago, in my country, there was only 2 EV charging stations in all of the country. So the early buyers of Tesla had to be really strategic when they were going to charge their cars. But now we have them everywhere. Even the smallest villages have EV charging stations. So this is a really big push for America, and it will support a lot of new sales into the EV sector. Now, if you look directly, the winners of this infrastructure bill are clearly the charging stations providers themselves, like ChargePoint and Blink. ChargePoint just recently touched its bottom at $20 and is now trading at $28.40. It tried to push over that $30 resistance, but it failed. But nonetheless, it was due for a pullback after a massive 50% run, and is now gearing up its support levels and consolidation so that it will be able to break through the $30 level and go back to $45 and $50, because that is where it belongs. It will go even higher in the long run, but short term 45 to 50 is the target. Blink charging had a bottom at $30 and was, as we can see from the stock chart, that it had a triple top at $40, and it finally broke through that $40. And even today, with a little bit of a sell-off, it held that $40 mark, meaning that it will continue to go higher. Now, we might see some weakness tomorrow, because the market had a very strong day today. But going forward, this stock price is going back to $55-$60 easily. Now, if you look beyond the charging stations, also the battery makers will be the winners of this infrastructure bill, because with all of these charging stations being built and enabling people to switch to EV, a lot of batteries will be needed to power those cars. I'm particularly looking at 2 places. Tuscan Holdings, which is merging with Microwest. Microwest is a European play, but it's very good. They just recently also signed a deal with Oshkosh, so that they will provide batteries for that part of Oshkosh deal with US Postal Service that they are going to do some part of the US Postal Service delivery trucks are going to be electric, and Microwest will be the supplier of those batteries. It is currently trading at a very low price of $12, and it's at its bottom, because the bottom for the spec is at $10, and this is easily a $20 plus play. The second one is QuantumScape. It had a bottom at $40, is now trading at $49.30, just below the $50 resistance, and this is easily a $65 to $70 play in the short term, and even higher in the long run. Now they are still in development stage, but if they provide the results, this will easily go back to $100. Now, if you go even further, the next logical thing to think about is lithium miners are also going to be the winners from all of this, because for all of the batteries, they are going to need to mine a lot of lithium to put it into those batteries. Now, I'm looking at particularly at only one play, because it's very good and at very attractive price. It's MP Materials. It had its bottom at $30, so that is the protection, the support line. It is now trading at $34, and more importantly, it had recently its earnings report, and it was trading at that time at $48. And more importantly, it surprised to the positive side on those earning reports, meaning that as the sector as a whole heats up again, this is going easily to $50 plus. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below what you think about these companies. Are you already invested in any of them? And more importantly, if you are excited about Biden's new infrastructure bill. Thank you. Bye.